And this is what the hatch looks like completed. Everything's still wet yet, but it's got to cure out. But it's looking good. So tomorrow I'll come in and grind this edge off so it's smooth, flush with the end. But yeah, matte balsa and matte in 1708 for that Checkmate 253 Convincor engine hatch. It's looking good. I think the guy that owns the boat will be very happy with it. That is what a well done balsa job should look like. Yeah, she looks good. Yeah, just a quick update. There you go. I figured I'd tack this on, show what the Baja ski locker, or not ski locker, fish locker hatch looks like repaired. We left this piece in because it was just too hard to chisel out. There's no reason to take that out if it's not going to come out. Might as well leave it in there. It's not rotten. So anyway, this up here is all brand new, and other than not being painted white, which the whole thing could use being painted white again, looks just as good as the rest of it. Half-inch balsa, some matte, and some 1708. Took care of it. Guy should be very happy. He's got his fish locker hatch back, or will have it back as soon as he picks it up. All right, thanks.